How to sign in to your Rocket Mortgage account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of logging in to your Rocket Mortgage account. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's get right into it. Search for rocketmortgage.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of Rocket Mortgage. Now to log into your account, you'll see a sign in button on the top right. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the section or the login page. Now to log into your account, you'll need to first type in the username that you created while signing up. Or it could be also the email address that you used. Once you type in your username or your email address, in the second box, you can type in the password. If you don't remember your password that you created, you can click on the forgot password link. And to recover your password, you need to type in your username again and then click on submit and follow further steps to reset your password. If you want this password to be revealed, you can check this box. If you are having any other issues, you can click on need help and you can start chatting with them to solve your issues. Once you type in both of your information, click on sign in and you'll be signed in to your Rocket Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.